How to scan QR code from image or screenshot on iPhone. So all you have to do is to secure a QR code. So let's just save or find a QR code here. Let's go here to Pinterest. As you can see here, I've already saved a QR code here. So let's choose another one. So let's say this one. Now all you have to do is to have a copy of that to download that QR code, and basically it will lead you to your photos here, right? Here you can see the QR code here. Now, to be able to scan your QR code is all you have to do is to tap on or to go to that image. Now, if you tap on that image, on the lower right corner of that image, you will see this icon here, the scan QR code icon. Tap on that. And basically, if you long press the image here, it will actually, these options will actually come out. So you can actually go to open in Safari. And basically, that is how you scan QR code from image on screenshot. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.